It's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing what my group program entails.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.
If you're new to my channel, my name's Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower others to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that my video can reach more people. I just want to share with you what my group program entails, so that way you can get an idea of it, and if you decide that you would like to join my group coaching, then you'll be able to. So my group coaching program is for 6 months, and over the course of the 6 months, we will be working on 6 different things. One thing for each month. 6 things we'll be working on is your self-worth, your limiting beliefs, healthy habits, overthinking, fear of success and happiness, and then forgiveness. When it comes to self-worth, I'll be helping you with affirmations, journaling, learning the importance of your self-worth and your values. So when it comes to healthy habits, I will be empowering you to do more things like journaling, meditating, being active in some way, like regular exercise, and speaking to yourself and others kindly, and then spreading love everywhere you go. With limiting beliefs, we'll be finding out what your limiting beliefs are, turning them into affirmations, figuring out what caused you to start saying these limiting beliefs, and then understanding why exactly it's holding you back. Now, when it comes to overthinking, this is when I will encourage you to journal, so that way you can get your thoughts out of your head and onto paper, so that way it limits the amount of overthinking. Meditation is something also that we will be doing, so that way you can gain control of yourself, feel more grounded, and you won't react to things as much either. Trying to understand what the thoughts are and trying to just accept the fact that you're having these thoughts, but they do not have control over you. With fear of happiness and success, we'll just be figuring out what it is that you're fearful of, how you can overcome it, really dig deep into it, and just find a motivation to let go of that fear. Forgiveness is last but not least. We'll be letting go and just forgiving yourself for anything you've done to others or to yourself intentionally or unintentionally, and forgiving others for anything they've done to you intentionally or unintentionally. The reason why I focus on all 6 of these is because these are steps to progressing in life and really being able to create change in your life, so that way you can be the successful person that you know you can be and want to be. And then you can live the life that you want. And you won't be holding yourself back, and you won't feel as though just because negative thoughts popped up, oh, I'm set back. It's like, no, things are going to happen. Thoughts are going to pop back up, but you are in control, and it's up to you to understand why and also move forward from it. So that is all for my group program. So the way it works is that we'll be working together for 6 months, and there will be other people involved in it, of course, because it's a group. So once a month, there will be one-on-one coaching for you, and that's just so that way you can have your one-on-one time, ask me any questions that you would like, and we can work on anything that you feel like you just need more help on one-on-one. Anything that you need one-on-one is what I will do my best to help you with. The sessions for the group will be 45 minutes, and the one-on-one sessions will be 45 minutes as well. So as your mindset coach, I will be holding you accountable, delivering a different perspective, helping you step out of your comfort zone, helping you with your limiting beliefs, become more focused, and help you reach your full potential. Like I said before, each month we'll be working on one of those 6 topics, and each week we'll be breaking down each one of those topics. This group will be very beneficial, and you will have your own partner as well. So definitely let me know if you are interested. If you are interested, definitely check the link in the description below, so that way you can book your free connection call with me, and we can discuss what it is that you're dealing with and if my program can help you overcome what you're dealing with and allow you to just reach your goals. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I hope that you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Again, thank you so much for your support. Comment down below if you are interested, and also comment down below if these are anything that you could use guidance on. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.